Hi everyone, welcome to Ms. Chocolate, where English is sweet and easy.
Today, I'm going to talk about a festival that I really enjoy. Actually, I want to describe two famous celebrations, one from India and one from the Philippines. First, let's start with Diwali, the festival of lights in India. Diwali is one of the most important festivals in Indian culture, usually celebrated in October or November. It lasts for 5 days and symbolizes the victory of light over darkness and good over evil. During Diwali, families decorate their houses with diyas, oil lamps, candles, and colorful lights. The whole neighborhood looks bright and beautiful at night. I remember celebrating Diwali with my family in Delhi. On that day, we cleaned the house in the morning, wore new clothes, and prepared delicious sweets like laddu and jalebi. In the evening, we lit candles, prayed together, and then went outside to enjoy fireworks. The sky was full of bright colors and the sound of people celebrating everywhere. It gave me a very warm and joyful feeling. One of the most memorable parts for me was sharing sweets with neighbors and exchanging gifts. Everyone, no matter how busy they were, took time to visit relatives and friends. This sense of connection made me realize that Diwali is not just about lights and firecrackers, but also about family bonding, friendship, and community spirit. It teaches people to be positive, hopeful, and grateful. Now, let me talk about another special celebration from the Philippines, the Sinulog Festival in Cebu City. Sinulog is held every January to honor the Santo Niño, or the Child Jesus. It is one of the biggest and most colorful festivals in the Philippines. I had the chance to join Sinulog once, and it was unforgettable. The city was full of music, street dancing, and parades. People wore bright costumes with feathers and beads, and the dancers performed to the rhythm of drums. The whole atmosphere was full of energy and excitement. During the festival, I walked along the streets, watched the performances, and tried some local food. One of my favorites was lechon, which is roasted pig, a famous dish in Cebu. I also enjoyed the fireworks at night and the friendly vibe of the crowd. Everyone, from children to grandparents, seemed to be smiling and enjoying the moment. What I like most about Sinulog is the combination of tradition and celebration. It is a religious festival, but at the same time, it feels like a big cultural party where people come together to celebrate faith, history, and community. For visitors like me, it was also a chance to learn about Filipino culture, taste delicious food, and make new friends. Comparing Diwali and Sinulog, I can say both are very meaningful and joyful in their own ways. Diwali is more family-centered, focusing on prayer, unity, and traditions at home, while Sinulog is more public, with parades, dancing, and large crowds. But both festivals remind me of the importance of culture, tradition, and human connection. They show how celebrations can bring happiness, strengthen relationships, and pass cultural values to the younger generation. In conclusion, festivals like Diwali and Sinulog are more than just celebrations. They give people a chance to take a break from daily life, to spend time with loved ones, and to appreciate their cultural heritage. I think experiencing festivals, whether in India, the Philippines, or anywhere else in the world, makes life more colorful and meaningful. Thank you for listening to my description of these wonderful celebrations. I hope one day you will have the chance to join them yourself.
Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning, keep practicing, and subscribe to Ms. Chocolate for more sweet and inspiring English lessons.